ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. The Indian music experience. Sounds interesting, right? Carrying Bangalore's rich tradition.
Welcome to the Artery.
Are you a nature lover? Not forget to subscribe to TGF and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಜನರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡೋರು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Are you looking for a place which is touristy but not too regular typical tourist spot? We are exploring one such place today. A residential area which gradually transformed to a cosmopolitan hub, all thanks to the boom of colleges and IT industries in the vicinity, and a paradise for food lovers surrounded by traditional style housing, giving us a typical Namma Bengaluru feel. An area which is preserved and carrying Bangalore's rich tradition, culture and heritage. One of the most greenest areas in Bengaluru with lush green parks and trees on both sides of the road. And if you still haven't guessed it yet, we are going to be roaming around Jayanagar and JP Nagar today. Let me take you to the latest hub of Indian music in JP Nagar, the Indian Music Experience. A place that not only entertains the visitors, but introduces them and educates them about various forms of Indian music from traditional to contemporary. Other than an amphitheatre, a gift store and a cafe, the IME is divided into 3 areas: an interactive multimedia exhibit area, an instruments gallery, mini theatres and several touchscreen based interactive. Then comes music lovers' favourite area, a sound garden with 10 playable music sculptures such as xylophone and gongs. And last, a learning centre with a library space. You can also try your hand at making music with interactive mini studios and mixing consoles here. This place was so overwhelming and beautiful. I know so much more about Indian music now. I request you all to come here and experience this place by yourself. Hungry already? Let's eat our hearts out at Hari Super Sandwich. So their sandwiches come in 14 different kinds and each one with a special desi twist. Sounds interesting, right? Starting off with a small shop, Hari Super Sandwich already has 7 outlets across the city, all thanks to the unique variety of adventurous sandwiches that they offer. I see your mouth watering, come grab a bite. Other than the appealing mix of sandwiches, you will also find snacks like bundi masala, Congress masala and bel puri on the menu. As we know, Bangalore is a home to several places of religious importance. But the most popular and divine one is the Ragigudda Anjaneya temple dedicated to Lord Hanuman. The temple also has a shrine of the Lord of Beginnings, Ganesha. It is believed that the hillock that hosts the main deity of Sri Prasanna Anjaneya Swami was formed from a heap of ragi. And since then, it's called Ragigudda. You should pay a visit here not only to say hello to the Almighty, but also see the beautiful surroundings. Are you a nature lover? Do you want to be a savior but just don't know how? All of these questions has one answer: Sir M. Vishveshwaraya Rainwater Harvesting Theme Park. The park is dedicated to spreading awareness about how you can play your part in saving and harvesting water. 70% of our bodies and our planet is water, right? Here, you will be reminded about shorter showers and washing your cars with buckets instead of a hose, and 27 other methods to save water and our planet.
Bangalore's requirement will increase to 1,800 million litres and by 2036.
What is the formula for a happy life? Eat healthy, shop responsibly, and live mindfully. If you also believe the same, you should visit Go Native. It is a classic in the world full of trends. Be it fashion or home decor, food or personal care, it has everything with a unique sense of going back to our roots or going native. A great initiator of community building and farm to table concept in modern times, Go Native stands true to its name. Gopalan Innovation Mall is a complete package of shopping, bowling, movies, restaurants and co-working spaces. Convenient parking, perfect location makes it an ideal neighborhood mall. Looking for some cozy, intimate, heart-to-art sessions? The Artery is your space.
Yellarigu Namaskara. Welcome to the Artery. If you're looking for a space that's cozy, intimate, and for some really nice art-to-art sessions, you're welcome here. Here, we take all kinds of classes: pencil sculpting, wall painting, terrarium classes, dramatics, acting, script writing. Here's Chetan, by the way, painting the walls. Sometimes you don't want to interact with a lot of people. Writers have writer's block and they want a personal space where they just can sit and brainstorm. I think Artery is a place like that. You can't call it a workspace. You can call it a space where your passions, your other creative juices just come together. So that's why the place looks like this. You can sit the way you want to. You can take any corner. It doesn't have too many things that will disturb you. So you just sit, brainstorm, think, and that's why it also has a lot of plants. So it's a very positive place and like-minded people meet here. Let me show you out.
What's there, hula hoops? Let's learn some hula hooping basics from an expert.
You're interested to understand how a simple toy can help you actually lose weight and be fit and in shape. I'll tell you how it's done. If you're interested, don't forget to ping me and keep hooping.
Bored of the regular junk food? Then you must visit Chennai stores. Retaining the soul of old Bangalore, this place is a reminder of home. One of the oldest shops in the locality, it remains to be one of the very few junk food free outlets. Indian snacks from holige to chakli, from chutney to patrode, they have it all. Also, their samosas are to die for. Thank you. If the explorer in you can't wait to go and check out these places, go now. Wait. Have you liked and subscribed yet? Good. Also press the bell icon. Great. Okay, go now. Ta-da. Not forget to subscribe to TGF and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications.